Today we're going to talk about cooking the macrobiotic way. Okay, so the greens are cooked. They're just gorgeous. I can't emphasize how healthy these are for you. They're just so full of chlorophyll, they're full of calcium, and they just put all kinds of good nutrients into your blood. So we're going to put these onto the platter, getting ready for our final spread of food. So they're ready to go. And then we're quickly going to repeat the process with our root vegetables. So we're going to take our root vegetables, and we've got some water in the pan, and we're just going to lightly blanch these too. You can decorate and accessorize all of these different products later, okay? So we're going to put these in the pan, and we're going to let them steam and blanch also, okay? And then we're going to put them out in a bowl to present them on our platter.